I'm going to do a test of this app sampler I've been working on to kind of collage together camera and image inputs. And my main focus is sort of this overhead camera setup, so I want to look at transferring this PDF printout that I marked up into a sort of digital collage. So I'll grab the title and try to make that a reasonable size. It's nice that there's this live crop here, right? So I can straighten that up. And then I press space to do a stamp. So now that's the image. I've got a lot of flexibility in how I do the crop. So this is still that live cropped in version. But I can also do this one. And should I arrange that a little more? Maybe shift it over. Part of what I want to do here, like there would be lots of other ways to do this, right? To make, to take the image and then do this in Photoshop or Photopea, the online version that I usually use. But I'd like to make something where it feels a little more satisfying and tactile. Almost like you're cutting up the paper and kind of arranging, which I always find is like a opportunity to think through some of these. I wonder if I should add a save and stamp. Sometimes I crop and then I forget to save it out. So now I've got those blocks. And should I just go straight down? Pretty tall. I got really into having these controls sort of on the canvas. Feels odd at times, but good at others. All right, after some debugging, I'm pretty sure this download's going to work. A pretty big image. Question is how readable. Probably I need to do the printout on white paper and maybe adjust my camera a little bit. But still pretty good. I can add it to my blog. And then also hopefully someday would do like an OCR pipeline to also digitize those notes. I just feel like having this collage feels a lot more tangible, more ties to the experience than if I was just highlighting on a reading app, right? Want to do anything weird here? It's kind of cool. Yeah. Oh yeah, and I have this nice crop thing I can do. Is that readable? More readable than you might expect.